4 of the ships sought a passage along a southern blank. Would coast, inland, body of land with water on 3 sides, or border best fit this blank? Or is the answer not available in the text? Let's start by locating the original wording of the text. The second paragraph tells us that one of Magellan's ships sank, but the remaining 4 ships searched along the southern peninsula of South America. The paragraph goes on to tell us that finally they found the passage they sought, indicating to us that the passage is what they were looking for along the southern peninsula and is what our question is asking. Although it can be hard to answer this question without knowledge of what the word peninsula means, if we break it down, it can help us figure out its meaning. The prefix pen means almost or nearly, as we see in words like penultimate, meaning second to last or almost last, and penumbra, almost in shadow. Insula refers to an archaic form of the word island, which we still see in the word isle today. Based on this, the literal meaning of peninsula is almost an island. The official definition of peninsula is a piece of land surrounded on 3 sides by water, making it almost an island, as an island would be surrounded on 4 sides. Based on this information, we can go down to our choices and mark C, body of land with water on 3 sides, as our final answer.